Yeah, I realise it's very colourful. We're going to discuss that later on when I come back from school. But now, the vlog is back, baby. I think ISO's on auto anyways. I'm watching Grown Ups too, so when it's done, expect a full comprehensive review on the podcast. And I think I'm going to do a Scarface review, so... Testing, 1, 2, 3, testing, 1, 2, 3. How in the testing player. Okay, vlog. So I'm back from school, done all that kind of jazz. Right now, I'm in the process of, like 5 minutes left to Grown Ups, to probably less. It's okay. So it's just an okay film. Kind of funny, that kind of jazz. You're into comedies, it's gonna give you a laugh. Nothing more than that. Gonna have a full podcast episode on that because I do, daily podcast. I think the podcast's gonna get back together sometime this week, something like that. Wi-Fi's came back this weekend, so we're trying to get everything back. Now, got a couple of ideas for a film, so. Yeah, I got a lot of notebooks, but none of them are in the room. Yeah, I gotta make this quick with losing charge, basically. Watch Rick and Morty Season 1, Episode 1. Really great, really funny. Gonna continue watching that. In fact, all episodes are like 20 minutes. Probably gonna binge watch them over the next couple of days and they'll be done. Now, I've got a bunch of ideas for the film. We're gonna continue that story and project tomorrow. I did abandon, what is it called? Peaky Blinders. I will return to it. It's just kind of long, not the kind of thing I want now. Something more lighthearted. Rick and Morty. Put it on. Real good. Gonna kind of carry on binge watching it, then go to sleep because it's kind of my time. You just relax over the next hour or so, and then I'll see you, I think, tomorrow. Sorry that this was a short episode. Didn't do much today. I'll catch you tomorrow. We're gonna have a lot of grind tomorrow because tomorrow is tomorrow. We're gonna be editing this vlog tomorrow, filmmaking tomorrow, lots of grind tomorrow. I'll see you then. Right now, what about my intro? Here at AKAJK. Hopefully I'll see you in tomorrow's episode, or, whatever. Because here at AKAJK, the grind is daily.